Here we're going to do a quick run through of connecting all the harnessing to the monitor. So you can see the harnesses are already routed down the back side of the monitor. All your harnessing are going to have keyed connectors. Really can't go wrong with these. These are going to connect to the correct corresponding end. If they fit, they're good. We've got a few 6-pin Molex style connectors, 2-pin Molex, USB cable, 4-pin power connector, and DisplayPort cable here. So we're going to start with these 6-pin connectors. See, male to female. First connection. Next, another 6-pin. Next to a corresponding connector. We have one more 6-pin. This one's rounded down the opposite side. 6-pin. 2-pin Molex connector. 3-pin, sorry, I stand corrected. 3-pin Molex connector. Get there. Uh, that's all the harnessing that's not connected directly to the monitor. Next, we have our 4-pin power cable. It's going to connect here to the bottom of the monitor. Stuck there. Next up, DisplayPort cable. And finally, our USB. All right, once these are all in place, it's a good idea to go back and make sure that they're secured in the wire clips. Get any slack out so if these are not catching the mechanism when you close the door. This cable's tucked away. You are finished.